Dongfeng Special Vehicle Company Limited, that is a manufacturer specialized in commercial vehicles of Dongfeng Motor Group. It was founded in 1992, current staff 1,200 persons, located in Shiyan City, Hubei Province, which is the commercial vehicle capital of China. The foot of Wudang Mountain and water city surrounded with beautiful mountains and rivers. Over 30 years development, the company has become a Chinese large-scale modernized vehicle manufacturer, covers Dongfeng buses, school buses, city buses, medium and heavy trucks, light trucks, special vehicles, new energy vehicles and series products. In 2012, to meet the growing demand for production capacity, the company invested 250 million yuan to expropriate 300 acres of land and set up the advanced large-scale equipment and specialized equipment to establish the advanced vehicle electrophoresis production line and 5 large production workshops, including chassis, raw material preparation, welding, painting and assembly. It has a vehicle offline checking line, Ring Lake Laboratory, comprehensive performance road test site, and achieves an annual output of 15,000 complete vehicles and 20,000 chassis. Products are exported to Russia, North Korea, Australia, New Zealand, and other more than 10 countries and regions. In recent years, the highest sales exceeded 8,000 units. Ranking the top 10 in bus industry, it has repeatedly won the titles of China Contract Bidding and Credit-Worthy Enterprise, China Quality Service Reputation 3A Brand Enterprise, China High-Tech Enterprise, Consumer Satisfaction Enterprise in Hubei Province, Provincial Special Vehicle Engineering Research Center, etc. The company attaches importance to the construction of talent team, constantly introduce and cultivate all kinds of talents, and has a professional technology, production, quality, and after-sales team. The technical team has current research and development personnel 120 persons, has built a special bus technology center in Hubei Province, is committed to R&D team and R&D platform construction, product development using simulation analysis software, 3-dimensional design. More than 5 new models are put on the market every year. The production team is efficient and capable, with more than 700 highly skilled workers, to ensure stable and reliable product manufacturing. The quality team adheres to the concept of product is character, quality is life, continuously improves product quality, and strictly controls the product quality of each process. After-sales service team, according to different countries, it establishes different after-sales service system, covers more than 300 national after-sales service stations and perfect service guarantee network, 24 hours to accept domestic and foreign customer demands. Highway bus from 6 meters to 12 meters, streamlined body design, simple and elegant appearance, panoramic front windshield, fashion style, 10 to 43 passengers, extra large luggage compartment to meet passenger travel needs. The economy and power of the vehicle are leading in the industry. 6 to 10.5 meter new energy bus, mature technology. The appearance of the vehicle is beautiful. The structure layout and the space utilization is maximized. It not only achieves zero emissions, but also has high safety and intelligence. Each vehicle is equipped with an onboard terminal, which is incorporated into the new energy vehicle monitoring platform, will make vehicle operation and management smarter and more efficient. Intelligent driverless minibus. Equipped with a variety of high-tech sensors, automatically collect road information, be able to achieve automatic car following model, change lines to overtake, traffic light intersection through. Reaction speed is only 1/10 of people. School bus from 6 meters to 11 meters. For kindergarten, primary and secondary school students of different age, high-level protection, complete safety functions. The vehicle has high safety intensity and economy fuel consumption. Special vehicles. Many kinds of special models. With its strong power, modification and adaptability, with full drive chassis manufacturing matured technology to meet multiple road conditions operation. The truck has 3 varieties: diesel truck, pure electric truck, and hydrogen fuel truck. It has the advantages of strong power, long driving mileage, and short time energy supply. It can be developed according to the road spectrum, and the on-distance endurance and power can meet the market operation needs, and is in a leading position in the industry. Dongfeng Special Vehicle Co Limited, with rigorous design, excellent technology, reliable quality, will carry forward the lean production, perfect manufacturing spirit of enterprise, and be dedicated to provide high-quality products and efficient service for domestic and foreign customers.